Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Colette again, aka Royal Dimples, aka Coco. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time on my channel, today I'm just going to be using my sister's makeup kit to do her a full face. So my sister believed that she need to have all the makeup products that I have in order for her to get a full face of makeup. So this is her product. This is all she has, and I'm going to show her that it is possible. Like, you can do your full face makeup with just what you have. So if you are struggling with something like that, this video is for you. Okay, let's get right into it. Starting off, I'm just brushing her eyebrows. I'm using a brown pencil to outline and fill in her eyebrows, both sides. So this is one thing that she didn't have in her cake. She told me she forgot it at home. So concealer, this is what she didn't have. She borrowed this from me. I'm gonna be mentioning all the products that she borrowed from me, you know. And at the end of the day, you realize that you really don't need that much products in order to achieve a full face makeup. So I'm using this concealer to clean her eyebrows. This concealer is pretty much the same with her skin tone. This is because this is what I have right now, and also I want her to know that sometimes if you're not really good at makeup, the best thing you should do to yourself is don't use a concealer that is too bright, so that because it's gonna cost you a lot of time to clean it. So using a concealer that is the same as your skin tone is going to make life easy for you when it's time for you to blend. So after filling that in, I'm using this eyebrow brush to just brush it. I'm also going in again with my concealer brush to redefine the lines. So we're pretty much done with concealing her eyebrows, and we're just gonna go in right now to you know to clean it up with this brush. This is her brush. All the brushes came from her, guys. And this is her eyeshadow palette. It's a little of 9 colors, but this can do so much for you. So I'm going to be using a total of 3 colors. So the first one is this light pink that you see me dipping into right now, and just laying that as my transition color. And next, I'm going to be using the dark purple on the outer edge of her eyelid, both sides. And I will be cutting her crease with the same concealer that I use in concealing her eyebrows. I would have loved to use a concealer that was lighter than her skin tone, but because I'm taking this out of my kit, I didn't really plan to use my kit at all. So I dipped my hand in my makeup kit. The concealer that came up, that's what I'm going in with. So I'm using this concealer to cut her crease, and I'm going to be using this shimmer color to define her crease. Making sure that the dark purple and the shimmer color merge and it's well blended. Right now I'm using, this is my eyeliner, you guys. She did not have that. Yes, I'm using eyeliner. You guys know that eyeliners are important because it's going to help you to hold on to your lashes. So I have to use this. So what happened was when I put her eyeliner, so she opened her eyes when her eyeliner were not dry yet, and the eyeliner got on her lid, so I had to clean it up. Right now I'm gonna put on her eyelashes. This is one product that she didn't have in her kit. And now I'm gonna put on her foundation. This is Fit Me, you guys, and it's about $5 some cent from Target. You can get that from Target. So I'm just gonna blend that nice and neat on her face. And this worked really well, guys. I love Fit Me foundation. So I'm gonna be highlighting her eyes with the same concealer I use in cleaning her eyebrows. See, my girl is surprised. So I'm gonna be going in with this luxurious banana setting powder to set her highlighted areas. And I'm gonna be using the black radiant contour palette to contour her cheekbones and her nose. And I'm gonna be using the highlight from the black gradient palette as well to highlight her nose and her cheekbones. And this is a product that she did not have in her kit, guys. So right now I'm just gonna dust this off, highlight her cheekbones, her nose, and I'm going to set her face right after I apply her lipstick. So guys, we've come to an end of this video. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this with just what you have. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment down in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next one.